Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Guarda crypto wallet. Guarda wallet is a non-custodial wallet that allows users to securely manage over 400,000 digital currencies, tokens, and assets powered by blockchain. To sign up for Guarda wallet, you'll need to firstly download the application on your device. After you download it and install it on your device, open the app and you can see an interface similar to this. From here, you will need to go to create a new wallet. Now, create a new password. Make sure your password is strong by including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, special characters, and numbers. After you created a new password and reconfirm it, check this box and click on create wallet. Now you'll need to back up your file so that you can access your wallet from any device and your wallet won't be lost. To do that, click on download file and you can choose to back it up using any of the options. And just like that, you have successfully signed up for Guarda wallet. Now if you want to back up your account, you need to go to settings and then click on backup. From here you can copy this code and you will be able to access your wallet from any other device and keep your wallet secure. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and we'll be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.